वजीर खारजा इसहाक डार ने कहा है कि सफीरों की सिक्योरिटी हमें खुद से भी ज्यादा अजीज है। रेड जोन में एहतजाज कानून साजी के जरिए ममनू करार दी गई। हुकूमत ने PTI को रेड जोन में एहतजाज से बाज रखने के लिए मुज़ाकरात किए, लेकिन वफाक के खिलाफ एहतजाज के लिए सूबाई हुकूमत के वसाइल इस्तेमाल किए गए।
उन्होंने कहा कि सूबाई हुकूमत का असलहा और शैल इस्तेमाल किए गए। वजीर खारजा ने PTI फेक न्यूज़ फैलाने की माहिर है। वजीर खारजा की जानिब से ये कहा गया,
This has always been our priority during our governance, that we make sure that this area, which we call red zone, is free from any protest or any violence. The 4th of November, we were receiving a state guest in Islamabad, and it was the President of Belarus. It's a friendly country with Pakistan. This date has been prefixed months ago. So it is, you will find that it is very surprising that a political party chooses to demonstrate, to protest a date when some foreign dignitaries are visiting Pakistan. We demonstrated a complete patience. The law enforcement agencies, they were not given any live ammunition, number one. They were given water cannons, they were given tear gas, they were given the batons, but not the live ammunition. The army remained at the third defense line. The social media is a curse. We all know that. I mean, they are masters in the last decade or so to spread fake news.